Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log Instagram. If your Instagram is not locked or secure, if you want to secure that by locking it, you can simply launch your settings first. And over the search settings, you have to type app lock and hover it on the top. And here we could see on the smart lock, there's an app lock icon. Over here, tap that. And you have to confirm saved pattern, and over these apps you can simply log it any other apps you want, but today we are going to log the Instagram. So tap on this option which is on the right and simply it is logged, you can see, and it will show on the blue font after it is locked. So you can either just like this, now it's locked too. And let's go to the Instagram and tap that, and here we could see the lock option over here. So that is it guys, this is how you can lock your Instagram.